Hello and welcome, guys. In this session, we are going to see how ChatGPT AI can build a game in 2 minutes with HTML scripting. In my previous session, I saw how to build basic calculator and scientific calculator using ChatGPT. If you missed that session, I will give the link on the video description. Please check it out. Here in this session, we are going to build a simple game using ChatGPT. Those who don't know ChatGPT is a AI platform to solve your queries. This is ChatGPT. So here I am writing. Please write a simple HTML program. Wait for a few seconds. ChatGPT generating our response. So you can see it is started responding. The simple game is called Guess the Number, and we are going to store this game inside this folder. On GPT game, right? So started creating the number, the HTML script. So you can see it's writing the script for our HTML program, complete JavaScript and CSS and UI. Wait for a few seconds or a minute and it will complete the scripting. So our HTML script is completed. Let's copy the code by clicking here. I'm going to store in this path. So open Notepad. I'm opening Notepad here, paste here, Control S to save it. And I'm going to keep in this path. So I'm saving in this path by all file. So here I'm giving numberguess.html double quote n. Otherwise it will store in txt file. Click on save. Close the notepad. So you can see numberguess.html is created. Now double click this file. So you can see guess the number between 1 to 100 within 10 attempts. So I'm giving 30, too low. So let's give 40, too high. So in between 30 and 40, I'm giving 35, too low. So the random number is 36. You can see guess the number in 4 attempts. So in this way, we can create a ChatGPT, help of ChatGPT using a simple HTML game. Guys, I hope you like this session. If you do, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.